Can you tell that there's something burning? Can you feel the heat from this intense, dramatic fire? I hope you can. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Camille. If you're new, thank you so much for stopping by, and to all my subscribers, thank you so much for being here as always. Guys, today I want to try a new technique, something that I've seen done on YouTube, of course, but I just want to try it out for myself. So today is an experiment, and I do hope that you guys will love it. I'll be using 3 colors from Artist Loft Ready Mix Pouring Paint, and I have 3 containers that I put together just as a tool that I'm going to use to pour the paint in and then pour it onto the canvas. Please note, guys, that my canvas has a white base on it, and this white base is thinner than the regular colors. Thanks. For this technique, your canvas has to be tilted, so I'll be using 2 of my 3-ounce cup to prop the canvas up. Check it out, guys. One thing I can tell you guys about fluid art, paint is very expensive and you don't want to waste it. So I just, off camera, I just went and cleaned my table. I saved my drippings. I do save them. I save them for, you know, another pour. Maybe I might use it in my base color. I don't like to waste my paint. So yeah, so I went and did that off camera. As a fluid artist too, guys, I want to tell you that, you know what, I love to explore and I love to try new ways to get various effects in fluid art. You know, there are so many techniques that can be used in acrylic pouring, and to be honest, each of these pouring will always yield its own unique result, and that's why I just love it. It's the best thing. I don't know, guys. I'm just blown away by the amazing result each time. No matter how much time you pour, you might use the same colors, you always tend to get different results. And it's just a surprise. You just never know what you're gonna get. And I love it. You know, I love it. And I just do hope that my work will inspire someone to try. And that's all I'm about, guys. I just want you to get up and try it. Don't be afraid. Just go for it. All right. I had so much fun doing this technique. Wow. Here is a close-up of the wet result. What do you guys think? I love that feathery look. It's just amazing. The gold, it's vibrant. The red, oh my gosh, I'm speechless. I love this painting. Here it is dried. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. That's all I can say is wow. It is beautiful. It dried. Wow. I love the red. I love the shimmer from the old gold. Oh my gosh. I love that wispy look from the red. It's amazing. It's amazing. I love it. I hope you guys love it too. Please like my videos, share it with your family and friends, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, please do so. And don't forget, guys, don't forget that I have playlists that you guys can check out my various videos, various techniques. I did that all for you. Okay, guys, thank you so much for being here, and I will see you next video. Bye.